Okay, my question that I chose was question number one. And it's in response to this quote: service leaders recognize that the most powerful motivators are free. Well, too often we think of the obvious extrinsic rewards when trying to motivate students to give their best effort. And sure, every now and again, that is fine. However, I agree with the idea that the best motivators are free, as they mentioned in the book. They use the example of a pay raise, but explain how it isn't a very good long term motivator. According to Buckingham and Kaufman's research, it's more effective to make sure your employee, or in this case, the learner, feels valued, understood, encouraged, and developed. One motivator that I like to use, and as you can see, these were the different ones to choose from, but I chose the Atta Girls, Atta Boys. That's probably my favorite, to reward learners when they have done a nice job on an assignment or demonstrated growth in a particular area. Maybe they've really improved, and I don't want that to go unnoticed. I also compliment them when they demonstrate one of the habits of success. And I really like this quote here, just that I found on my own about by Mark Twain. I can live for 2 months on a good compliment. I really love that. I think it's important as educators to never underestimate the power of praise. As kids get older, we tend to dish out less praise, but that shouldn't be the case. Teenagers and adults benefit from praise too. I feel it could be the added boost that they need to keep them going in the right direction. Um, for example, just recently I received an email from the Open Campus coordinator, and he praised me for the good work I'm doing on behalf of the learners. He forwarded to me an email from the principal of one of our partner schools, in which he said how highly the parents spoke of me and the work I'm doing for her son. And I have to say, as an adult who rarely receives praise, I have to admit it was really nice to be recognized by someone else for my effort. It made me realize that what I do on behalf of the kids is worth it and it's appreciated. So I really have to admit it brightened up my day for sure. And even when I was thinking, about a lot of the things, is it really worth it? Is it appreciated? That sort of gave me that extra boost that, yeah, I guess it is appreciated. So it was really nice. And then it really made me think about my learners and how important praise really is. So it just kind of reinforced that belief in giving the attaboys and the attagirls to the learners. Hopefully, they realize that their hard work and perseverance isn't going unnoticed, and it gives them a push to continue in the right direction like it did me. Let's see here. I thought I had one more slide. Maybe not. Okay. All right. That is my response. Thank you.